Hi there YouTube, Veganomix here. So it's been a while since I've done a video, and every time I make a video I say that, but I want to show you guys, since I've got a bunch of mulberries and mulberry trees right now, well, a bunch of mulberries on the trees ripening up, I want to show you how to pick ripe ones and how to know when they're not ripe. So it's really easy. Alright, don't mind the dog barking in the background, but basically you'll see a variety of berries, and some of these kind of got like you know, kind of hit by a cold snap, so they're not some of them are not ripening up perfectly, but let's see, let me show you an example. With this one, if I tug on it, let me see if I can zoom in real quick. If I tug on it just ever so slightly, it still does not want to come off. Okay, so these are what are known as the Everbearing black mulberries, and try to find one over here that is ripe and is ready to come off. So let's see. Check this one here. Okay, no, still doesn't want to come off. You just leave it, man. And another thing is, sometimes you'll get them that will come off okay. Maybe you got to tug a little bit, but then you taste it and it's still kind of sour. So that's the way you know that it wasn't ready. That's your second way to know that one wasn't ready. So let me see. Might have to actually go to a different tree. Yeah. See, I'm too good at my own thing. I really don't pick them until they're really ready, because I love when they're really peak ripeness. So let me see. Let me go to this tree over here. Alright, let's see. This one. That's a nice big one. Oh, okay, it came off pretty easily. Go ahead. Nice deep color there. Let me taste it. Okay, that one could have waited probably another few hours at least. But one that I did have about 5 minutes ago was perfect ripeness and perfectly ready. So yeah, guys, first, sorry, I got a bunch of cars going by. The first thing you will do with your Everbearing black mulberry trees and black mulberries is you want to look at the color. Okay, obviously I want to try to beat the birds out here. I want to try to beat them so that they're not taking what I want. But if the tree's not real, if oh, here we go. Right here, it seems like you got a pretty good cluster. This one looks like it's, well, no, didn't want to give it to me. I really want a good example, but I'm afraid that I've eaten all the examples. Sometimes you'll find them in the lower branches, and they will be like under a leaf that kind of is hiding it. I think I've gotten all of those too. So, let's see. Nope. That one came off pretty easy. Nice and dark. That one was definitely ready. So there you go. If it comes off easy and it's sweet, you know it was ready. You know, that's all you gotta do. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Peace.